Hello guys, welcome back to Quick Guide, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you buy USDT into your Trust wallet. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to buy USDT, you just simply have to open your Trust wallet application. And after opening the Trust wallet application, you just simply have to go over this swap option. Now, after coming into swap, you will get to see this all networks option at here. Tap to all networks and then you will get a search bar. Now, in order to buy USDT, you just simply have to search for USDT into here. If the USDT will be available into your Trust wallet, then you can buy it from here. But in my case, I don't have USDT available right now. That's why I can't show you by buying, but you can easily search for USDT and click to buy option that will be visible. And after that, your USDT will successfully be bought. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.